Yeah,
you know
man.
who I'd like to see you collaborate with since I seen Time Bomb? I'd like to see you and Busy Signal. If there was a way to be you and Busy connect.
Busy. Busy is a different species, you know, but I one of my artists, so I rate Busy. Busy is one of the most creative. You see me? And this is what me never, I don't remember saying this on a platform, but I'm going to say it today. Busy Signal, when I do Unfair Officer, a lot of people say, yo, it sound like Busy Signal, and me did actually like, yo, no, I'm not sound like that, man, but if you keep it 100, it definitely sound like a Busy thing, and it wasn't something when I go in at the studio and say, yo, may I try to do this like Busy. What happened is that I go in a character, like a man where keep a dance, it never work out, police come lock it off, so I go in a character, something where Damien Gill teach me for the, like getting a character. Now while I'm going a character, Busy being so creative, him actually going at that character already. If you listen, These Are the Days and certain song, him going at that character, so it have the similarities. I have to big him up, you see me? Definitely, because, yo, we're mature and we just know so I love, you see me?
Of
yeah,
course.
man, Busy are one of the baddest. And I love to do that song that with Busy, where you talk about, because me have the idea already.
Yeah.
You
No,
see me?
I
So-
definitely, from I see Busy do, she a call, I'm not answer. She a call.
All right.
And then you're doing Time Bomb, and in my mind, I'm just fusing the two of them. I know the
That
madness
is
you
it.
guys-
I see that was a specific song the way you say about Busy. Yo, me listen to that part. Repeat, brother. Repeat. My father's song, you know, is from Busy is One More Night, the cover. We play that. Me have to play it every day for my father. So big up Busy Signal, one of the baddest. Anybody who know Busy, I've in contact to him, and if Busy I watch this, just know somebody would love to do a song with you. I have the idea already, you see me? And I love to collaborate with you because me is a fan of your music.
I'm
yeah,
a
man.
busy bud.
Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.